Okay, let's cover the tables and yeah, tables options. I'm gonna go with the quick tables so we don't have time for the next. So there you go. In the design layout, we have a lot of things to cover, like table style option, and we have table styles, we have borders. So these can help us to make this style of table even better. So number one is header. As you can see, whenever you check mark, you can see complete different. Okay, let's go with this. So for example, let's go with this one. And whenever I check mark the header and header row, so it's completely making it different. Okay, first column, you can see right now it's making it bold, and total row, the end row, it's making it bold. Last column and banded rows also to make changes, a lot of changes to us, and banded column as well. So these options will help you to make a really nice style of your table in the future. But if you're not interested in this, okay, still there's some other way, and that is these quick styles that you can pick up. You can go with even more, okay? There are a lot. There you go. You can choose and you can pick up any color you want it, and then it's your own favor. So there you go. It's very easy. And that's all. Anytime you can also clear it, you can have a new table style and you can click and you can make a new table style of your own in here. So how you can do that? So let me just say JM and then table style. It's table style and table normal and whole table. Yes, whole table. Make the font especially some other font like assistant, medium. You can see right now, and make them not bold, and really all border them, but border them with really soft color. Sorry, this is the color. Yes, soft color. And yeah, that's it for now. And you can also choose this positioning. And we have also so much options like table borders, borders and shading, banding, font. We have all that things also available in here. So for now, as a quick start, let's go with this style. And to see that it affect us or not. So this is the custom. This is calendar 2. This is JM. So we already have it. Hooray. So that's the style you can make in here. As well, you can modify any table styles possibly in here to make it even better in the future and for the use of tomorrow, for the use. In here, we have one thing to talk about, and that is we can individually colorize each part. For example, header row should be something like this color. And I can choose black, for example. Okay, I can choose black in here. So this is the header row. And I can go with total row and I can change it. And I can go with first column, change it. And I can go with last column. All of that is possible in here for us to make a great style of table. For now, let's go with the header only. So there you go. But you can see right now the text is not showing up. It's good. It's not very good. So I'm going to click and hit modify table style. And then we're going to go and we're going to change that. We're going to change that header row and choose white. Oh, sorry, still it didn't change. Let's go back in. So there you go, header row. So this is the font, this is the color, this is the white, and border color, fill color. I don't know why it didn't change, but hopefully it will change. Let's change it manually. So you can change manually from here. Oops. I'm gonna change the. There you go. So we have it right now, and it's very stylish. So let's click back again and to see what we have. So that's this style making. We have also shading. With shading, it means the same thing. Okay, it shades the backgrounds of a cell, and you can do it in here. And if you wanted more color, so you go with this color. And if you want custom color, so you go with custom color. We have border style as well to choose. We have lots of border style to choose one and to go with. We have also border sampler. It means it identifies what sample what it is, and then it picks up the right border for you. So it's very good to use it. So we have also like border type, border width, paint color, and borders of that bottom top right left, and all of that is available in here for us. The one thing is view grid lines, if show or hide grid lines in the table, and if you wanted somehow some grid lines in the table, so you can enable it, but if you don't want it, so you can enable it. This is good whenever the table is not drawing. Okay, but our table is really drawing right now, as you can see.